I did this look right here using the Morphe Brushes 35O palette. I kept it smoky but still, you know, wearable, and I'm also going to be doing a daytime look using the same palette soon. So if you'd like to see how I did this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to use the Morphe 35O palette. This palette is a great palette. It's got tons of neutrals in it. As you can see, it's really great for people with blue eyes and people, I guess, with any color eye, really. I'm going to do 2 separate videos with this palette. I'm going to do one everyday look, and I'm going to do one evening look. Today is the evening look. I'm going to do a smoky eye using this palette. I have already got my face makeup on and my eyes prepped with concealer. The powder under my eyes is to catch any excess shadow that falls underneath so it doesn't wreck my foundation. So let's get started. So I'm going to grab a small dense blending brush. This one is the Morphe 433. This is one of their smaller blending brushes. And I'm going to use this one on the darker shadow in my look to press it onto my eye. Notice I'm keeping my eyes open. I'm doing this so that I can follow the natural shape of my own eye all the way around. When you close your eyes, you sometimes lose where your brow bone is, and so it's easy to put the shadow down lower than it should be. Now I'm going to take a fluffier brush. The fluffier brushes work great for blending out shadow, and I'm just going to soften all of the edges. While I'm doing this, I'm also going to start bringing the shadow up and out. I'm using small circular motions. That helps me blend things out more smoothly. Okay, so now using a new Morphe M441, sorry. I'm going to dip into a lighter brown shadow and start blending out those edges. Okay, so now I'm going to take that same smaller blending brush and I'm just going to deepen up the shadow just on the outside of my eye. This is actually a lot easier than it looks. A lot of people get really intimidated by smoky eyes, but you only need a few brushes and start slow. Going into that other blending brush and just again. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush and I'm just going to soften everything up here. Okay, so now taking a brush like this one is the Morphe E10 and my Fix Plush Setting Spray. I'm just going to give it a spritz and I'm going to give it a squeeze and then I'm going to dip it into the shimmer shadow that I'm planning to use on my lid. Now I'm making sure to use a patting motion, and this is going to give me the best distribution of my shadow over my eye. Okay, taking this brush again and I'm just going to soften where everything meets. And then I'm going to take a new shadow brush. This one is the M166. I'm going to give this a little spritz with my spray. And then I'm going to go in with a lighter shade, and I'm just going to apply it right at the very beginning of my eye. Just to lighten things up just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to add the eyeliner. This eyeliner is NYC. It's at Walmart, and this one is like 2 years old. It's maybe too old to be using it, but I like this one, so it hasn't run out yet, so I'm going to keep using it. Before I do that, I'm just going to quickly give my eyelashes a quick curl. Okay, just looking down at my mirror. I'm going to start from the inside, and with small strokes I'm just going to line my eye using my lashes as a guide. Okay, now mascara. This one is the Colossal Volume Express by Maybelline. I use waterproof. Okay, stay tight. I'm going to do my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my lashes on. I've got my lipstick on. This lipstick is MAC Cosmetics Cosmo. And my lashes are Tati Lashes TL8s. So let's finish off our eye. I'm going to take a small little blending brush just like this. This one's E36 from Morphe. And I'm going to go into that dark shade that I applied on my lid. And I'm just going to brush it really softly underneath my lash line. On myself, I don't like to bring it all the way across. I just like to bring it halfway. Okay, and instead of lining my waterline with black eyeliner, I feel like that really closes my eyes off. I'm going to use this one. This is the Batter Up eyeshadow pencil from the Bomb Cosmetics. It's in this really pretty gold color. And I'm just going to line my waterline with that. Add mascara. And I'm going to take a brush like this. This one's the E18 from Morphe, and I'm just going to put white matte shadow right there on my eye. Sometimes it doesn't need to be a shimmer. Sometimes matte will brighten it up just as much as you want it to anyways. So there you have it. This is the Smokey Eye done with the Morphe Brushes 335 O palette. I hope you like this look, and shoot me a message if you have any requests. So thanks.